Mitosis is the sequence of events which takes place when the nucleus of the cell divides to form two daughter nuclei, both identical to the parent nucleus. Mitosis occurs in plants and animals during growth and the repair of tissues. Mitosis is divided into 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Between divisions, the cells are in a stage called interphase, which is a period of active synthesis of material. It is at this stage that DNA is replicated. The 4 stages of mitotic division in an animal nucleus will be looked at one by one. In prophase, the chromosomes in the nucleus of the cell shorten and thicken and become visible under a powerful microscope, where they are seen to consist of 2 identical strands called chromatids. And they are formed at the centromere. The nuclear membrane breaks down, leaving the chromatids suspended in the cytoplasm. A series of fibers form a structure within the cell called the spindle. The spindle stretches from end to end of the cell and has poles and an equator. This is prophase in a living cell. In metaphase, the paired chromatids migrate to the equator of the spindle, where they are each attached to a different spindle fiber by their centromeres. During the 3rd stage, anaphase, the chromatid pairs now separate at the centromere and migrate to opposite poles of the spindle. Now that the paired chromatids have separated, each is referred to as a chromosome. In the final stage, telophase, the spindle disintegrates and a nuclear membrane forms around each group of chromosomes. Finally, the cytoplasm between the 2 nuclei contracts and 2 cells are formed. In plant cells, a cell wall is formed across the cell, dividing it into 2 daughter cells. This final process in both animal and plant cells is called cytokinesis. The chromosomes of the daughter nuclei formed by mitosis are identical to those of the original parent nucleus. Although mitosis is divided into 4 stages called prophase, metaphase, where the chromatids line up on the equator of the spindle, anaphase, where the chromatids migrate to the poles, and telophase, where the cell divides into 2, it is really a continuous process, with no breaks between each phase. Watch mitosis again at 2 different speeds. In the slower version, the numbers in the bottom right-hand corner of the frame are to be used in identifying the different mitotic phases.